Hey there guys, today we're starting with a new headset on the review, and thanks to Vanguard I received the RAPOO VH530. These are virtual 7.1 channel gaming headset. We're going to test them out, of course, because everybody can place gaming in their name and everybody can say virtual 7.1 surround sound, but I don't know, let's check them out. Let's first unbox them and then we can talk about the visuals and other stuff. So the most interesting thing is the design, which I already seen from the box. It says here cool LED backlight, virtual 7.1 channel audio output, brings you stunning surround sound experience, ENC single microphone denoising function, clear and stable call, microphone mute function, ultra strong and durable materials, noise isolating over-ear design with soft and comfortable ear cups. Well, it's all nice when it's written right, but we have to check it out, to see, to test it out and to make some conclusion. Basically this is pretty simple. You get a bag with the headset and everything inside. The microphone is already attached to the headset and basically this is it. You have the flexibility of the headband going like this, so it can stretch really nicely to the top of these springs, and you have the V up here. I don't know why V, probably for VH530, or because it has here, I don't know, it doesn't say why V, but it's RAPOO with double O, as it says in the title. So the diameter of the drivers is 50 millimeters. The sensitivity is 103 decibels. They say here plus minus 3 decibels. Frequency response is from 20 to 20 kHz. And impedance is 1 kilohertz, 32 ohms. Now they look really bulky, I have to admit, but that's most likely because they have a round shape, and when you add the 50 millimeter, 5 centimeter diameter of the ear cups, that makes a lot of sense. The design is actually really nice, except for the bulkiness, which, I mean, I have the bulkiest probably over there, so why am I here to complain? The cable is completely rubberish, not rubbish, rubberish, and you have a protective something for the USB. You don't have anything on the cable to control the volume, so most likely you control it or either on the headset or in the windows. On the left ear cup you do have a volume knob for placing the volume up and down. You have the microphone, which has the flexible arm, and you have the connectivity for your USB. Now I think we don't have to talk that much about the visuals, because you have a V over here, you have the surroundings here, which I hope they light up. I really do, even though it says here they do, but I'm curious. So let's put it right here. They're connected. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Now this is really nice. I have to admit, it has an RGB. I don't think you could control it. It just constantly changes colors in RGB spectrum. So you have the V lighting up, and you have the whole circle around pulsating in the same color as the V does over here. Now let's put them. Okay, so the isolation is actually really good, because it has leatherette ear cups here that press it to your head. I would add most likely that the side parts that press your head should be a bit more tighter, so you don't have right here, you don't have space for your fingers. It should be fitted correctly, so it would be like this. The microphone has, well, enough space to move since it's a flexible arm. And basically this top part here is very flexible, and you don't even notice when it moves when you place it on your head. So this is really nice when it comes to comfortability and similar stuff. Now in the package you receive the headset, you receive the instruction manual. Here, quick start guide, actually, not instruction manual. You connect it with your USB, you have the microphone, and wait a second, no, it doesn't have anything on it. And that's basically it. So I think it's best if we check the sound, of course, the bass, the highs, the lows, and of course we're going to do a microphone test as well.
Okay guys, so we connected the RAPOO VH530 to my computer, obviously, and you can see right here that the Audacity is recording automatically what I'm talking about. And as I usually do, I will, let's move it back, I will most likely listen to it, well, I will definitely listen to it after the recording and basically give you a conclusion when it comes to the microphone. Now, one thing that I mean, I'm having problems with microphones lately constantly, and it's not because of the manufacturer, it's because I just didn't check the product this time correctly, and it's because it has a a knob right here for on and off for the microphone. I was actually going through the control settings, everything, control panel settings, microphone, setting up microphone and all that other stuff, and when I laid them down I was like looking at them, and then I saw it has a switch, so you can turn it on or off with the switch, even though it's not that handy, you know, you're talking and then you're just making sound to people that you're talking to, but nevertheless. So guys, yeah, the bass is really nice. The high-pitched voices like heavy metal music, for instance, it does need a bit of an equalizer to adjust it. The bass, the R&B songs and stuff like that are really nice. The bass is deep-ish. It's not that like strong, but when you're talking about the money that you're going to pay for the VH530, then it kind of makes sense. As for the dampening sound, for isolation sound from the outside, that's a completely different story because I don't have anybody here making some noises, so I could compare. Now let me listen to the sound on from the Audacity that recorded it, and we're going to make some conclusions.
Okay guys, the conclusion is fairly simple. You get a nice headset for the price that you pay. Basically, it's always the same. You get a nice isolation, even though I would try to, because you've seen this headband, it has too much radius, so it doesn't press that enough. It should be more like this, and most likely the flexibility of the ear cup is making it not possible to press fully on your ear, but that isn't that bad at all. It's something that I'm used to, and these headsets don't have. You have a leatherette ear cups which are good for isolation. You have an on-off switch on the microphone where you talk. And when we're talking about the microphone, so if you put your microphone very close to your mouth, then you'll most likely hear some extra winds or not winds, like breathing and that kind of stuff. If you remove it, the voice is clearer definitely, but it's not like you're using a professional gaming headset that will have a definitely brilliant microphone. It does pick up the keyboard clicks, it does pick up the mouse clicks, but not that much that it will annoy you. Next to that, the sound, as I said, the sound is okay. Really like the design without a doubt, and using it for 20 minutes while testing and checking the control settings and everything that I had problems with, my fault. They're actually really, they're not that light, but they're really comfortable, and I don't know what to say else. I mean, if you're looking for a budget headset that will actually have a nice sound, which you could of course, I don't know, download some sort of an equalizer. Maybe there are always some kind of products, applications, programs that you could adjust your sound through your headset. Then you can manage it to be something even better. Until then, it's just a mid-range headset for a nice price, which will do the trick with the USB connectivity. So basically just for PC, no console possibility, but it's okay. They're definitely okay, and if you're on a budget, why not? So guys, links are below for Banggood where you can order them, and check the subscribe button below. Don't forget to click it, click the bell as well for new reviews coming very soon, because if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see there's loads of stuff coming in for reviews and, well, basically everything else. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.